Hi, good evening. It's a Wednesday evening, and I'd like to do this special vlog to thank my friends from India and some of my previous co-workers because I've been getting a lot of views from India. A big percentage of the views in my videos are from the people from India, and then I'm sure a lot of Indian friends who are in the Philippines are doing the same. I'm so touched, and I'd like to shout out. And I had a lot of interactions. I trained uh, on Six Sigma in India, among other places. And I learned a lot from co-workers. And I think they are, if not the brightest, one of the brightest culture that we have, especially in the BPO industry. They are very hardworking and very serious about their work. Their communication skills is excellent by way of they know what the clients feel and how to respond to client inquiries, especially when there are escalations. They know the business by heart, and I've had the opportunity to learn from my colleagues and superiors. And I'd like to again just make this special video presentation to thank them. If I were to mention uh, someone, it might be unfair because I've had a lot of co-workers who are from India, and in my opinion, they are the best of the best. And those who are in the Philippines right now, they love the Philippines, and they contribute a lot to the success of the BPO industry in the Philippines. Well, maybe perhaps if I have to mention one name, I'd like to shout out Brisk, an old friend from Genpact. We haven't talked much for more than a decade probably, but we continue to greet each other on Facebook. But he is a very charismatic person, very intelligent. And if I were to make a list of the people in the BPO industry who are really dedicated, he would be one of those. Uh, I also want to mention a lot, but all of them, especially those who have taught me lessons, those who have helped me in this industry. You know who you are, and I really am very thankful that I have met you and interacted with you. Uh, Maybe one more name, Vivek. You're now in the US. My friend, hope you see this. Thank you for guiding me through. You are a great friend and a believer. Thank you, man. Thank you. Again, thank you to all my friends from India, previous co-workers. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you.